Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling.Alice is here, so we're going to talk about real practical Hakka, things you encounter every day at the house, for instance. 尤其在家里呢，常会碰到的一些事情。好了，
好。
比如说呢，其实我不是说很爱照镜子啦，但是呢，有的时候镜子，
每天要照镜子啊，
其实还是要照一下比较对。出门前还是要照一下
啊。可是要看干不干净。
没错。When your mirror is dirty, you're going to ask yourself or someone to, clean the mirror a little bit or dust it off a little bit. 把这一面镜子擦一擦。
老亚面姜诶，出啦，
擦一擦吗？
丢啦。
Oh, okay. 出啦 that means wipe it a little bit, okay? And 姜诶就是镜子咯。Okay, that's the mirror right there. 老亚面姜诶，出啦。你知道吗？镜子前面会有什么？梳子。哎，对，你知道齁。Let's teach you how to say this comb is so easy to use. 这一支梳子呢，很好用。
亚几时诶？
亚几时诶 that means this comb, right? 梳子时诶。
懂好用哦。
懂好用哦 That means, again, this comb is easy to use.
那梳子呢？海陆腔。
Okay.
手儿。
So that's a different dialect for comb, okay? 这个打扮好了，要出门了，结果发现下雨。
真扫兴。
对，所以你的打扮呢，总不能破功了嘛，对不对？
那就拿雨伞吧。
拿雨伞，对。可是发觉雨伞又破了。
哎呦，
怎么这么倒霉，对不对？万一啦，对不对？我们要说这把伞破了。This umbrella's got a hole in it. I can't use it. All right? 怎么说呢？
亚几杂诶，烂铁。
烂掉了吗？
就破掉了嘛。
破掉，不是烂掉的意思。烂铁是真的有破洞，对不对？
就是破掉的意思。
衣服烂掉也是。
衫服烂铁的。
衫服烂掉 Okay, 烂掉that means there's a hole in it. All right? So this umbrella has a hole in it. 亚几杂烂铁。All right, there you go. Let's review these phrases right here. First off, let's wipe the mirror a little bit, okay? 把这一面镜子擦一擦。
老亚面姜诶，出啦。
老亚面姜诶，出啦。This comb is very easy to use. 这一支梳子呢，很好用。
亚几时诶，懂好用哦。
亚几时诶，懂好用哦。Finally, this is an umbrella with a hole in it. 这一把雨伞呢，破了。
亚几杂诶，烂铁。
亚几杂诶，烂铁。All right, there you go. Some practical Hakka for you once again here on ICRT.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affair.